Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make this super cute, super easy Dollar Tree Christmas decor. So what you're going to need is one of these little frames from the Dollar Tree that has a removable back because we're going to replace this little saying with it. And one of these little Christmas ornaments, this little reindeer head covered in glitter with a little bell, super cute. Both of these are from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to take the tag off of this one. Boop. And we're going to open this baby up. So you can use any craft paper, anything you want for the background. This is what I'm going to use. And take it out. I found this plaid, Christmassy plaid paper. So all you're going to do is trace it on the piece and cut out the correct size. Actually got off the line here a little bit. All right, so that's all you need of the paper. And on this, we're just gonna cover this with a glue stick. Really good. And okay, so this is super easy. All you're gonna do then is glue the reindeer in the middle. Now, I did print out some using the Cricut machine, some little words. This one says dashing through the snow. This one says sleigh bell rings. I just don't know how I feel about it. I think I'm going to use this one. Let me see how it looks without the backing. What do you think? Maybe I will. I may use this once I get it glued down. Okay, so all you're going to do is hot glue the back, and you want to be really generous because you want it to stay. In there. Now you can either put it at the top. I'm going to put mine in the middle. And just hold it there for a second until the glue dries. That's pretty cute. I think I'm going to go ahead and put this little saying right here. You know what? I'm going to put it in the frame first. So I'm just going to slide this over. Going to stick it in the frame. Now you could have stuck it in the frame before you glued the deer head on, but I didn't. Right, look how cute that is. And then I'm going to add the dashing through the snow. What do you think? And I cheat and I just use a gift card